How long does an electric vehicle battery last? That depends per manufacturer and what their warranty life is. What we've seen happen, for example, I've been a Tesla owner for 7 years. When I bought that car, it came with a 7-year warranty, unlimited miles on the battery pack. I've heard of companies running Model X and Model S Teslas in a taxi service situation that in that period of time took 2 or 3 full battery pack replacements because of the usage on the battery. But in normal operating conditions, you're going to see 5+ years of life off of the lithium-ion technology, especially the newer battery packs, and you're gonna see various warranty rates from those manufacturers. Harsher environments like heat, where I am in Arizona, for example, are more impactful on the overall battery life over time, and the car will have to work harder to keep that battery pack cool to retain its useful life.